Hello and welcome to the Oak and Lamb YouTube channel. My name is Becca Oaks. I'm an owner and craft educator here at Oak and Lamb. Today I want to show you how easy it is to convert a regular printer for sublimation printing. Now, before I say anything else, I do want to note that not all printers are compatible for conversion to sublimation. Definitely do your research and make sure that you are purchasing a printer that is compatible for conversion. We have converted the Epson Workforce printers in the 7710, the 7820, and the 7840, and had absolutely wonderful success with this. Now, the reason we have chosen those printers is because they are wide format printers. You can print up to 13 by 19 with these printers. So it's a great printer for sublimation. What you're going to need in order to convert your printer is obviously a printer, and then you will need some sublimation ink, and you will need refillable ink cartridges that fit your particular printer. So all of the supplies that you need to convert your printer will be listed in the description below. The ones that we are listing are specifically for the printer that we're listing. So if you have a different printer, definitely check for different ink cartridges. Now, the ink and the syringes that we will be listing, you can use for whichever printer you want. So when you're looking for cartridges for your sublimation printer, look for cartridges that, one, are refillable, and two, that have chips that can be reused. Sometimes there are cartridges that have a one-time use chip, and you don't want that. You're gonna pay a little bit more for a reusable chip in your cartridge, but it will be worth it. So definitely look for that. Other than that, we have everything that we need. So I've gone ahead and filled these up. It's very easy to do this. If you are curious how to do it, then you can look on the ink manufacturer's website for a quick video, but you literally just put your syringe in your ink, put it in the hole of the cartridge, and I'll give you a close up in a little bit of these, and then you put it in there until it's full, shake it up, and you're going to put these in your printer when I show you to put them in your printer. So I wanted to give you a close-up of the cartridges. You can see right here, there's a little stopper, there's a hole right here, and then there's a little spot right here. And these are for air flow so that the bubbles and things like that will come out of it. You remove these right here, and then you pull ink into your syringe, fill your cartridge, place the stopper back on, and then you're going to shake it up to get the ink to go into the cartridge in the different areas that it's supposed to be. Now, again, if you need an in-depth video on how to fill these, definitely just check with the manufacturer of the cartridges and or the ink, and you can get a great video for that. Once those are complete, then you are ready to actually unbox your printer. Okay, as indicated by this lovely sticker, this is a heavy printer, so you may need some help getting it out, but let's go ahead and open the box. And right in the top, we have the cartridges that come with the printer. Now, if you are converting your printer, you never need to put these in. These are regular inks that you would just print on copy paper for regular projects. So if you're converting your printer, put these to the side. Do not ever put these in your printer. If you put this ink in your printer, then you will have to flush all of the lines and clean the print head and everything like that before you put your sublimation ink in order for it to work properly. So just don't even open them. Then we have our power cord. And I'm going to remove all of this from the box and the printer from the box, and then we'll start putting it together. So it also comes with this installation guide. It comes with a CD and just some instructions. You can use that if you want to, but it's going to tell you to remove all of the blue tape. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, now we are going to just install the power cord. Plug it into your power supply and then turn your printer on. Once it powers up, you're gonna go through the setup process where you select like the language and the time and things like that on your printer. So go ahead and set that up. Once that setup is complete, you'll see this to install the ink cartridges. And so we are going to install the ink cartridges just by lifting up here. And then we'll flip this up in just a moment and install the ink cartridges. So now we'll flip this up and place our ink cartridges in. We're going to put each cartridge in the corresponding spot. Close the blue flap and then close your lid. Once you close the lid, you'll see this message, do not turn the power off until installation is complete. This takes about 4 minutes. After this, you will likely see a message that says something about the cartridges not being compatible or not being Epson brand or something like that. Do you want to continue? And you just press yes. Now that that setup is complete, we are going to connect to our computer, and we can do that by coming here. And you can connect directly to your device, or if you have a Wi-Fi router, you can do that. Either way, just go ahead and start that process. I'm going to use the Wi-Fi setup wizard here in the studio. So I will find my Wi-Fi, put in my password, and connect that way. Okay, once you have connected to the wireless router or however you're setting your printer up, then you are ready to download the driver here on your computer. I am using a Mac, so mine might look a little bit different than yours. If you are using a PC or something like that and need step-by-step instructions, you can look at Epson's setup website and select the specific operating system you are using, and it will help you download the correct driver. But for the Mac, what I'm going to do is just come up here to my Apple menu, press System Preferences, and then I'm going to go to Printers and Scanners. And you can see here we have the Epson 7840, which is our current printer, but we want to add a new one. So I need to press the Add Printer button right here. When I do, I can see that the 7820 is online, and that's the one that I want to install. So I'm going to select that. Because I have two Epson workforces, one is Sublimation, one is not, then I just want to make sure that I pick a good name for it so that it's not confusing in my list of printers. So choose a name, and then you're going to press Add. Once that setup is complete, you will see the new printer here in your list of printers, and you are ready to print. So there you have it. It was quick and easy to convert this Epson printer for Sublimation, wasn't it? Now that you have your printer converted, you probably need some blanks and other supplies in order to get started with Sublimation. So check out our video on amazing Amazon products that you need for Sublimation. And if you need help with project ideas or just troubleshooting Sublimation or other craft projects, join the flock here at Oak and Lamb. We love to craft. We love to do things like this to teach you how to craft, how to, or answer any questions that you have about crafting, converting things, et cetera, et cetera. And so membership here at Oak and Lamb is for you. We love to Cricut. We love to sublimate. We love to do woodwork, laser cutting, sewing, and basically any type of craft project you can think of, we will do or have done. Join the flock, press the link below and use the code BEMINE, B-E-M-I-N-E for $35 off your annual membership here. With that membership, you get access to our entire library of cut files that you can use for Sublimation. And because it comes with a free commercial use license, you can legally sell products and projects that you create with those cut files in Sublimation. Join the flock today. Let us know if you have any questions by leaving those comments and questions down in the comments below, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you here another day for another video.